Hi, this is part 3 of the software I got in the mail yesterday. So if you're wondering what's this a video about, this video is just going to be about the software, explaining about the software, explaining how fucking dear the price is to buy it from Spectra Engineering themselves, and just gonna be a lot of ranting and bullshit about the software and how fucking dear it is. But what I'm showing you today is how to save money, and you can actually buy it elsewhere without buying it from these fucking maggots. So at the time when I bought it, the reason why I bought it from Spectrum Engineering, the only problem is when you buy the software, we'll pull this off, so it comes in this here. Get in the mail, send that shit off to you, so I'll fuck that off. That's how it comes in a little box after you pull that shit off it. That's the receipt there, my details already blanked off, address and all that, but we'll get to that in a moment. This is how it roughly comes all packaged up. So that's the shit there. This particular base station repeater unit, I bought a microphone with it, so we'll get that out. Fuck that off. Oh yeah, this is the mic in the packaging. It's just a Chinese rip-off fucking Motorola one. That's all it is. Pretty much looks like the same as the Motorola one, but it's a Chinese version. Yeah, so it's a rip-off of a Motorola one, if you want to say that, if you want to call it that. So this is the as you can see, there's the bracket they give you. Not too flash, but anyway, see a bracket something. This is the mic they give you. It's all plasticky, no weight to it. It's all you spec Chinese rubbish. But that's the aftermarket mic they give you. This is the, I can get it up here. That's an RJ45 pin configuration. And from the wiring from the middle to the end there, it's about configured to 8 pins. So we're getting there a bit close without any blurriness. I can't see it that well, but it looks to be the 8 wires come out to those pins. Sorry, I fucked that one up. It looks like 4, 5, 6. There's 6 wires coming out to the pins. So yeah, that's what it is there. Nothing too flash. Got the rubber boot on it, but anyway, still a rip-off. I'll look this mic up, and you can actually get this particular mic off the internet. Same shit, same brand, you know, no brand anyway, but the same sort of shit. And you can buy this $11, yeah, roughly around about $11 Australian dollars for this. And I'll get to show you the receipt here. Here's a receipt from these rip-off cans. That's it there. Let's see if we can put this out a bit better. Alright, so speaker mic. There it is there. They charged me $60 just for that pile of shit. And I did some research, and I can get that for $11 Australian. This here, I found it a bit rich. $25 to post it from Western Australia. So yeah, that's a bit up there. But anyway, it is what it is. Program software, here we go. So the as you can see, MX800 program software and cable. That's what I got. I got the software and the cable. Now, the problem with this, Everything else you can buy elsewhere and get it fairly cheap, but the problem is the software. I'll pull the software out of this box. That's the, there we go. I'll focus in that bit better. So that's focused now. So you can see the program cable. It's not much. And you can also buy these offline a fuckload cheaper too. So I buy from Spectrum Engineering. It's just the a cat serial port. Just plugs in the back of the radio, and you can plug this in the front of the radio. So that's dead there. We won't talk about that now. We'll get to that a little bit later. What we want to talk about is the software. I'll put this shit over here. Now this is the most very important thing. You can't buy it anywhere off the internet. You actually got to buy this directly from Spectra Engineering themselves. I did a lot of research on the software, see if I can buy it from anywhere else. Nobody else seems to be selling it, but I gave Spectra Engineering a call and bought it directly straight off them. So that's the software there. And this is the only problem. This is the only you gotta buy the software straight from them. You can't get it anywhere else, so keep that in mind. But that's the software only, and the problem with this software is copyrighted. So the sneaky fuck is, it's not like you can just copy the information off this and put it on a USB stick and sell the software to recuperate some money back, because that's what I was going to do. Sell the software, give people on the USB stick, or if they want to, if they inquire about it, email to them and charge them $150 for the software if they want to program it themselves. Because this software here, just this on its own, as you can see, it's not much, it's a CD fucking thing. Just this on its own here cost me $200. That's right, $200 just for that. You might think it's cheap, but $200 for the software, I think that's actually quite fucking dear. You know, $100 would have been justifiable. Still a rip-off, but at least you can justify it for $100. But $200, that's just literally bending your own fucking in the ass. So that's the software there. Now I'm going to get back to the program cable. This here. Where is it? There we go. MX800 program cable kit. $240. So the software on its own is $200, and just for this here, just for that, is $40. So they charged me $240 just for the software, and that's all you get. Now if you want a speaker mic or microphone, whatever you want to call it, we'll bring that across here. If you want that fucker, and I showed you before, this here, there you go, microphone, $60. And then all up, it cost me, from shipping from Western Australia to here, $357.50. And I'll tell you what, the tax man ain't scared to fuck you in the ass. $32.50 for GST. So if you're sitting here watching this video, and if you bought a base station MX800 series, problem with these radios, if you buy them brand new from Spectrum Engineering themselves, you do not get the software, you do not get the program cable lead, and you do not get the microphone. All that is all extra options you gotta purchase for all this shit here. And the problem with that is, you buy the base station, then you gotta outlay more money for the software and so on. But So that's it there. Now what we're going to do is today is the mic, this shit here, the program cable, those two items there. I'm going to show you we can get that cheaper. You can buy that cheaper off the line, and you can get that offline, not a problem. But the only thing you can't get offline, like I said before, is the software. So you're fucked. If you know a friend that's got the software or can lend you a copy of it, but like I said to you before, this particular CD is copyrighted, so you can't. I've tried many ways to upload the software onto a USB stick, and now I've got it on file on the computer, so I could sell the software to recuperate, as you can see here, the receipt, what it cost me. So I was going to sell the software for about 150 bucks, and all the rest of this shit here, well, you can get that offline a fuckload cheaper. But anyway, we'll put that aside, and we'll get back to this scenario here. So I just showed you all the receipt. Now this is on the computer now, so sorry for the bit of a glazy or shit sort of video, but keep in mind this is just a quick rundown video, and all this is just a demonstration where you can buy the stuff, where you can buy the microphone and the program lead. So that way when you buy a base station, or if you get second hand, or you buy it brand new, you can actually save yourself some money. You won't get caught out like I did. But the problem with this is these particular base station units, there's little or no information about part numbers, anything else along the lines of, fuck that off, anything along the lines with the program cable. You're really left in the dark with all that kind of shit. So what I'm doing here is, as you can see, you can buy it off this fucking website here. Now, not really advertising. I don't really get paid to advertise somebody else's websites or anything like that. I'm just doing this strictly just to show people. It doesn't have to be this website, it can be anywhere else. But you get the rough concept of it all. So that's it there. $11.16. According to this, free shipping, and that's exactly the same fucking mic there, as you see. So it's mainly all Motorola, a GM series radios sort of thing, but just keep in mind this mic here is compatible with this base station. Same shit, but now we'll get out of that and we'll go to up here. Where the fuck is it? The mic. Alright, the lead. So this is the program lead here of Shipbox eBay. Now the lead I got, it's got two ends to it, two serial ends to it. Now you plug one end into the, you plug this end here into, like, you need an older sort of computer, like something Windows XP or 98, anything pre-2010 backwards. So if it's, you know, usually 2000, somewhere between 2010 onwards, they had made these sort of new design sort of computers where they didn't have the anything you could plug in with the serial port on them. So anyway, this particular video, I'll put it all the shit you can buy down in the link down below. This one here, and we'll get to it. This one here, the mic. So I'll put this in the link below. So that in the program cable, and yeah, you go from there, have a look at it, and make your own decision what you want to do. just keep in mind this particular mic here, you don't really need it for the base station, for the repeater. But the reason why I got it, that way I got it, it's there in case I need to use it if it's up on the site somewhere, just to check it. But this is really not necessary. You don't really need this for the base station repeater at all for the MX800. But if you want it, the option's there. But the program cable, that's something you're definitely going to need, as we all know. So you need the programming cable, and you definitely need the program software for it all. So that's the video. I'll put all this shit in the link below. Have a look at it, check it out. If you can find something cheaper, go for it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be any of these bullshit websites. It could be anywhere. Something near your country, whatever country you're in, whatever radio shop might have something, whatever it is. So this is just going off the rough internet prices. So that's it there. So I'll get out of that. So yeah, that's the software there. Sit there, not much. It comes in the box when you buy it. And this is the base station unit here. Another thing to this is what I want to explain to you. I just tucked the mic in out, put that over there. With these connections here, the power socket, what you want to do is, I explained this before in the last video, they give you a power socket, but there's actually no power lead or anything like that. So the only thing is this comes in this sort of configuration, but you got to supply your own lead to it. And what I did is, instead of making up one, I ordered a power lead offline. Just a generic, what is it, FT450D, just a normal generic Yaesu power lead. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the end off that and then graft it in this. Now I've got the lead and I've got the, it's fuse protected. So I'll run that. This is 12-13 volt output. So yeah, so that's it. That's the base station there. Haven't done much with it yet. I got the power lead coming, so I'll get that in. I might do a video on that, maybe not. See how we go. But that's it there, and hopefully I'll get it all powered up, get it all running. Might do a video, part 4, maybe not, of actually showing you the programming it all up, and that's it. I was going to show you the program software, but I might show that on you in the next video. So that's it there. Thanks for watching.